Ever pondered why we say turn up instead of arrive? Or why we give up rather than quit? These are examples of a fascinating element of the English language known as phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are a combination of words from different categories, namely a verb and a preposition, or a verb and an adverb. Together, they function as a single entity and often take on a completely different meaning than the individual words. Take, for instance, the phrase turn up. Separately, turn and up have their distinct definitions. However, when we fuse them together, they morph into a phrasal verb meaning arrive, or consider give up. Alone, give and up mean completely different things, but when they pair up, they transform into a phrasal verb signifying to quit or stop trying. Phrasal verbs are not just fascinating, they are an essential part of English language fluency. They add a dash of sophistication and wit to your language, making it more conversational and engaging. A common mistake when using phrasal verbs is separating them. For example, saying give it up instead of give up. Remember, the magic lies in their togetherness. Phrasal verbs can be tricky to master as they often don't follow a predictable pattern. However, immersing yourself in the language, whether through reading, listening, or conversing, will help you become familiar with their use and context. In conclusion, phrasal verbs are a unique and vital part of the English language. They're combinations of words that, together, take on a whole new meaning. They add flavor to your language, making it more conversational and engaging. So, next time you turn up at a party or give up on a difficult task, remember, you're not just using English, you're playing with the dynamic duo of verbs and prepositions or adverbs, creating a more vibrant and versatile linguistic experience. Now go out there and brush up on your phrasal verbs, catch on to their usage, and show off your new language skills. No need to give up, just keep on practicing.